Hey, what's going on, dev? Welcome back to Web Dev channel. In today's episode, you learn how to make an awesome full page scroll effect, this time using just HTML and CSS from scratch. You're gonna figure out that a couple of tutorials out there are teach you the wrong way of doing this. But today, we will make it right with just 4 lines of code, simple like that. Stick to the end of this video because by doing that, you will learn how to make it so you can make your website much better or add that to your portfolio. Let's get started. Alright devs, let's start really from scratch. Okay, as you can see we have a file structure, our index.html and style.css. Let's quickly move into our markup, okay? In here, let's hit tab a couple of times, going to the title, okay? And here the title that shows on the tab, okay? Let's type CSS snap effect, okay? And below that, let's have our link connect our markup to our CSS. Now let's create our markup, okay? It's gonna be quite simple. We have our main container, and inside this main container, we wanna create 4 sections. Okay, each one of them has a class and also h1. Let me duplicate this one. All right, let's go to this one is class 2. And for the h1 second page, this one is going to be 3, h1 third page. Let's go for the last one, let's say 4, and for the text web dev. Okay, let's see what we have so far. Let's use a live server. And yeah, we have our 4 sections. Okay, we're in the realm of CSS where part of the magic happens, okay? Let's start out simple. Let's go to the Google Fonts and grab poppins from them, okay? And let's use that on our project. Let's just copy and paste until now nothing was done. And let's have our CSS reset, okay? But before that, I would like to show you why we need it, okay? Let me create a border around our content here. And as you can figure out, we have this padding inside this one and margin outside of it, okay? And most of the time, we don't want that. We want to work with our own numbers, okay? That's why we need the CSS reset. Margin 0, we get rid of the margin. Padding 0, so no padding at all. And box sizing is going to be border box. Okay, easy to work with height and width. And now we're going to use the font from Google Fonts, Poppins. And let's have a sans serif as a fallback plan. Okay, let's get rid of this. We no longer need it. Now we get rid of this body, we don't need it. Let's have our sections, okay? Let's make them into sections. They are 100 VH, okay? We divide that by 100 and we use 100. And we want to put that right in the middle, okay? How? We are gonna use CSS layout display flex, okay? Justify content along the main axis and along the cross axis align item center. As you can see, the H1s are right in the middle, okay? But our scroll is not working yet. There is a couple of things to do. Now let's give a different color to each one of those. Okay, the first one, the second and third page. It's easy for us to see, okay, our scroll effect. If you don't want to type, you can go to my Facebook page. There's a link down below in the video description. And from there, you can just copy and paste. I advise you to do with me, okay, code along, because that's the best way of doing it. Just watching is not enough, okay? It's like you watching a trick. Let's go to the tool, okay? Tool here is red, okay? Let's move to the 3 and change the color here. RGB 6791 138 175. Nice, we have this bluish color, and Now let's move to the last one. 191, 64, and 191. Let me show you here. Yeah, it's beautiful, but the text is not. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna change the text too. Let's do just two things with our H1s, okay? Nothing complicated. Let's make things simple here, okay? And we're gonna change its color, okay? This is gonna be white, okay? RGB 226, 226, 226. And the second thing here, let's apply some shadow. So text shadow 1 pixel, offset 4 pixels, blur, and the color is gonna be black. And as you can see, it's much beautiful, much more beautiful. Take a look at this web dev here, okay? Our channel's name and the first page, very nice. Making the magic really happens, okay? That's the moment. Let's grab the main container, okay? And let's create that nice animation. Most of the tutorials, they say that we have to put this one here, the scroll snap type in Y direction, okay, vertically, and mandatory, this one on the parent. Then we go to the children or child and have a scroll, you snap a line, and let's say start. You can say start or sometimes the middle or end, but as you can see, it's not working. So something is wrong about those tutorials. So let's try to fix that. As you see, we did the same exact way on the container and also the child, and it's not working. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, it's just a regular scroll. So let's make a couple of changes here. Okay. And here, let's say overflow Y, let's say scroll, okay? This is one step. And it's still not working. But as I told you, we need 4 lines of code, we need one more. We need to tell the CSS that we want the full height, okay? The 100 VH. And let me show you. Yeah, now it is working beautifully, okay? So as you can see, we have 3 lines of code in here on the container and another one on the child. So that's it for today's, guys. I really hope you like it. If you like it, you know what to do. Is smash that like button and also subscribe for more like this one. Bye bye, see you in the next one.